Are you videoing, girl? Right, so I have a second-hand set of spark plugs tested and working well, so I'm going to fit them, and the best way to fit them is by the proper socket. Little rubber seal there, it goes in like that, plugs in like that. Oh, wrong one. Plugs in like that, and away we go, and hopefully fit. Now be careful, because if you cross threads these, you're stuck, so it's best to go very easy with them. Best not to over tighten them. Right, that's finger tight, and here we go. So we have do you know, although the sun's out, it's friggin' freezing out here. Anyway, right, finger tight so far. Amazing that I left this spark plug. I know why, because it had the aftermarket spark plugs, and I used them on the other car. So these are normal GM ones, and they are tested and they do work, so I'm pretty positive we should get some type of result. Right, that's finger tight for now. I'll just torque them up a little bit, and it's by hand with me. You go by feel. Really, they don't need much more than finger tight. So, right, and this is it. Right, so I can feel the tension, and it just needs to nip and seal, and that is it. That is it. Nip, and seal. Yep. So that it won't pop out. Nip, and seal. I just literally go by feel. I don't go by torque. I have torque wrenches, but I very rarely use them. Right, just check round. I'll just feel that again. Right, that's tight. Doesn't have to be really tight, really. It just needs to be tight. Because it's only alloy, remember, you can easily strip them threads, which I have done in the past in my youth. Right, yeah, that's fine. So coil pack back on. Just plugs on like that. Torque that back up. That just plugs in and seals. So remember, when there's more than one bolt, you've got to get it even. Sometimes tightening up one bolt alters the alignment of the other bolt, so best to get it even, then torque it up. It's simple mechanics. So that's hand tight, a little bit of a torque just by feel. Feel, come back, feel. Doesn't have to be too tight. Tight enough. Right, just for cosmetic purposes, I'll put that back on. And we'll get back to the battery. Can you stop the video please, Del?